elevate, and innovate with Angie.
There are two extremely important words in the English language, and they're extremely important because whatever words follow them become absolute sub-programming for your subconscious. Whatever you say after these two words, your subconscious will make come true. So the two powerful words are this: I am. Whatever you say after I am is what you will become. I say I am a human, I am a woman, I am a mother. I am someone who inspires others to greatness. I am someone who aspires to achieve greatness myself. That's my I am. There are other I ams I could be saying to myself. I could say to myself, I am a victim, I am a survivor, I am someone who came from the wrong side of the tracks, I am disadvantaged. But that's not how I choose to be, so I don't say those things. In fact, it wasn't even that easy to say them here to you on camera. So I'm going to go back and tell you, I am a human, I am a woman, I am a mother, I am someone who inspires others to greatness while trying to aspire to greatness myself. You see, whatever you say after I am, you will make true. So be very careful about the language you talk to yourself with. And if your I ams are not working for you, change them to I ams that do. I like to start off most days like this: I am strong, I am powerful, I am unstoppable. And I know you are too. Feel free to use my I ams if they work for you. And be very careful of any word you put after those two words, I am. So today, I am successful, I am here to help you, and I am here to help you succeed. My name is Angie Debransky. Reach out, give me a call. I'll help you in any way I can.